Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
A Hakka New Year's dinner typically consists of 10 dishes, the most important being the boiled chicken, as it symbolizes a family's prosperity. How this dish is presented is also significant, as it signifies whether the family will be able to save money in the coming year. The chicken is served with a dipping sauce made from kumquats, which is a sign of good luck.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Lin Lim Zep Siu and Happy New Year to everyone. 现在是2011年了，新年快乐，
新年快乐。
然后呢，接下来呢又是农历的这个新年了啊，也就表示可以吃很多。
哦，对，我觉得过年以前每次都吃东西都撑不下了。
That's right. Food and eating is a tradition of the Chinese culture, including the Hakka culture, of course. And so having 2 New Years means more food, and more eating. 所以今天应该介绍一下客家人呢，在过年的时候呢，可能会吃什么特别的年菜啊，对不对？应该有吧？
有，一定有，年菜一定有啦。我们之前都教过蛮多了嘛。那我们现在来讲就是一个刀给盘，一个头啊，还有什么尾巴啊、脚啊、翅膀那些哦，都要
一定要摆得好好的，
对，摆得很漂亮，一盘。
哦，就是那种白斩鸡，
对，白斩鸡，对。
哦，哎，很好玩。你刚刚讲白斩鸡怎么说？
刀给盘。
It sounds like you're chopping something. 其实我是用猜测的啊，咚那种感觉，就感觉应该是在剁鸡了。没想到就是白斩鸡 ，which is called chopped chicken, is very important because it brings, I understand, good luck and good fortune for the coming year. But the way they display the chicken is very important. It's put in a very neat manner. 除了这个白斩鸡之外，应该还有其他也蛮特别的菜色。
有啊，像我们都会吃那个菜頭飯，
是什么？
就是菜头，好彩头嘛，一定要吃。
That's right. That's why you eat the radish cake, because it sounds like you're gonna have good fortune. 好彩头，菜头嘛。
对。其实萝卜糕跟那个豆给盘都可以沾吉酱。
这个以前教过好多次，吉酱嘛。It's an orange sauce that they use for dipping not only the cold chopped chicken, but also the radish cake as well. All right, that's great. Let's review how to say some of these dishes again. The chopped chicken, which is a cold dish, 白斩鸡。
豆给盤。
Then you have the turnip or radish cake, 蘿蔔糕。
菜頭飯。
And finally, you can dip it in some tasty and sweet, delicious 吉醬. That's orange sauce.
吉醬。
相信还有更多的菜色，我们以后可以再介绍。
对啊。
That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.